This spool contains untreated steel wire that will be used to manufacture Peerless Chain. Before the wire can be shaped into chain links, it must go through a surface cleaning process to remove manufacturing residue and oxidation. The spool is lowered into a controlled acid bath, a process commonly known as pickling. Pickling removes surface oxides, mill scale, and drawing oils that are left behind during raw steel production and handling. The SAA solution cleans only the surface of the wire. When properly controlled, it does not alter the wire's strength or dimensions. It simply prepares the steel for the next stage of manufacturing. After the cleaning cycle is complete, the spool is removed from the bath. The wire is now chemically cleaned and ready to move forward for forming, welding, and additional production processes. This surface preparation step is one of the many quality controls built into Peerless Chain manufacturing, ensuring consistency long before the chain ever reaches a job site. Additionally, within this process, the PCC takes environmental responsibilities seriously and harvests the acid byproducts into environmentally friendly, recyclable materials. Stay tuned to see how we reclaim the acid bath to keep things environmentally friendly and save costs.